Reiterate what I've said in one of the other lessons is you want to make sure you understand all the variables, understand the problem as a whole, and if you can do that, this problem should be a piece of cake. And I think understanding what x means, understanding what the m and n are crucial. So let's look at the problem. The problem is saying x represents the number of weeks since they started saving. So this is just the number of weeks since they started saving. M represents the money Maria is gonna have, and n represents the money Nathan has. And here's the question. The question is saying how many weeks will it take them to have an equal amount of money saved. So the money that Maria has and the money that Nathan has needs to be the same. And I'm trying to figure out when that's gonna be. So let's say if it's $100, it's gonna be 100 here, it's gonna be 100 here. If it's gonna be 200, it's gonna be 200 here and here. So what that implies is the m and the n need to be the same. Now if m and n are same, let's just call that x and let's call that y and y, just because I'm already using an x. So let's say that this is y equals 70 plus 25x and y equals 100 plus 20x. And again, the reason I'm making this y and y is to show you that these two numbers are supposed to be the same. That's what the problem wants us to do. And if these two numbers are the same, I can set both of the equations just equal to each other. And then I can solve for the x. Let's combine the like terms now. So I'm going to bring the 20 here. See, I could have brought the 25 here, but that would have made it negative. So instead I'm going to bring this 20x over here. So that'll make it 25x minus 20x will make it 5x. And I'll bring the 70 over there. So that'll become 100 minus 70, which is 30. And then divide both sides by 5. And x will equal 6.